Nucypher empowers engineers to store, share, and oversee private information across numerous blockchains while allowing designers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The businesses, for example, banking and medical care areas, that arrangement with a gigantic volume of subtleties influence the benefits of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Igorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two primary innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate powerful access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and repudiates admittance to delicate information. Though secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbral and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbral assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without gambling with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling freedoms to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher arrange work? In the primary stage, a proprietor can scramble information with the public key and transfer it to distributed disseminated document frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to allocate admittance to substantial beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys in return for charges and block rewards. Ursula, an excavator, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. On the off chance that a legitimate re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to regrave it with the confidential key. Highlights of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was shaped to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks, like the SSL, TLS in web applications. Nucypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention essentially includes three significant components. First and foremost, staker hubs wherein Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a length. The locking of Nu will produce two sorts of remunerations: expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Furthermore, the specialist hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic tasks. At long last, Umbral intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to conveyed conventions. Together the organization jam data from assaults and spamming. Nucypher specialized examination. The authentic value outline of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the primary commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the Nu cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The Nu cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the popular cryptographic money trades in Korea. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a flowing inventory of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The unsurpassed low is 6 cents, which was on NOV 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the greatest cost, and it is because of the selling tension after the unequaled high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu demonstrates that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has abruptly soared and was moved by immense volume in October. The candle's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents, and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40. Much more, October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw an immense market cap appreciation. Thusly, many coins heightened to a record-breaking high. Nucypher new cost uncovered a fading negative energy on the everyday diagram by making more promising low points. There is a dropping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the outlines. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by regrettable opinions throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun gathering the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized examination demonstrates Nucypher new settled beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band. And the Bollinger Band is crushing. On equilibrium, volume marker was in a downtrend. It has moved evenly for the last week. The distinction between the opening and shutting new cost of the flame is exceptionally low, and exchanging volume private. As a matter of fact, swing merchants are likewise losing interest in Nucypher new. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Prompt help is put at 44 cents, and any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at 42 cents. Underneath 42 cents, brokers can sell Nucypher, and it will contact 39 cents. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is put at 55 cents, and there is an obstruction after that at 70 cents. The significant opposition is put at 80 cents. According to our Nucypher estimate, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost gauge for the year 2027 recommends the worth may be around $1.99. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an incredible expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year conjecture, according to our examination and expectations, the most extreme cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. According to TNL's Nucypher conjectures, the greatest cost for 2022 will be 64 cents with a typical cost of 58 cents. The transient Nucypher cost forecast looks bullish. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost expectation conjecture beginning at 70 cents. New value expectation is bit by bit going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the principal quarter. Nucypher coin cost expectation predict an end at 74 cents constantly in. Nucypher value expectation 2024. Nucypher expectations are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the primary half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value forecast 2025. New crypto cost forecast predicts a beginning at $1.09. The greatest cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18. Through and through, Nucypher digital currency is a beneficial speculation for what's to come. Nucypher value forecast 2026. Examining the future cost of Nucypher for a 5-year timetable uncovers it has a long-haul procuring potential. In light of our Nucypher cost estimate, the greatest worth is supposed to reach 97 cents constantly in, while the base worth and normal cost for the year will be 79 cents and 89 cents separately. Is Nucypher a wise speculation as long as possible? Indeed, Nucypher is a wise speculation according to our Nucypher estimate. Your speculation will end up